Hello friends, welcome to Virtual Reality Essentials video tutorials series. As I told that in this video tutorial series, we are going to discuss how to develop virtual reality applications using Google VR SDK and Unity. First, we will have brief introduction to Google VR for Unity. What is Google VR for Unity? Google VR for Unity is a software development kit. It is used to create virtual reality applications for Google Cardboard with Unity, guys. What is Google VR for Unity? Google VR for Unity is a software development kit, SDK. It is used to create virtual reality applications for Google Cardboard with Unity, guys. Google VR for Unity is available for Windows operating system and Mac OS. Using Google VR for Unity, we can build virtual reality applications for Android platform as well as iOS platform. Built virtual reality applications can be published on Google Play Store and App Store, guys. Let's understand how do we use Google VR for Unity package. First, we create an Android project. To create an Android project, first we create a new 3D project in Unity and switch the project to Android platform by going to File menu, Build Settings. We choose Android platform and then we click on Switch Platform button. I minimize the word. I search for Unity Hub. I click on Unity Hub. You can see that Unity Hub is launched. I click on New button and then I choose the version. I select here 3D template and then I give the project name VR demo project, and then we save this project at the desktop. I click on create button. It creates VR demo project at the desktop. You can see that VR demo project is open inside the Unity editor. At present, target build platform is set to PC, Mac and Linux standalone. We are going to switch it to Android by going to File menu, Build Settings. We choose here Android platform and then we click on Switch Platform button. I close the window. You can see that target build platform is switched to Android. Next, what we do? Next, we are going to download and import Google VR for Unity package. Download the latest Google VR for Unity package by going to this link, https://github.com/GVR-Unity-SDK/releases. Visit this link and download the latest Google VR for Unity package. You can see here I have already downloaded Google VR for Unity package. Next, what we do? Next, we are going to import the downloaded Google VR for Unity package to the project. So what I do, I am going to drag this Google VR for Unity package to the assets folder and then I leave. And then I click on import button. Once the Google VR for Unity package is imported, you can find Google VR folder inside the assets folder, guys. So it creates one Google VR folder. Inside that you get all the resources related to Google VR SDK, guys. Next, what we do? Next, we convert our Android project to virtual reality supported project. We go to Edit menu, Project Settings, choose Player, and then we go to XR Settings section, check Virtual Reality Supported, and then we add Cardboard to Virtual Reality SDKs list. I go to Edit menu, go to Project Settings, I select here Player, and then we go to XR Settings section, we open it, and then we click on Virtual Reality Supported checkbox, and then we click on plus and select the Cardboard. We add Cardboard to Virtual Reality SDKs list, guys. I close it. And next, what we do? After that, we are going to open the Hello VR scene by going to Google VR folder, Demos folder, Scenes folder, and then we click on the play button, guys. What we do? Inside the Google VR folder, we have demos folder. Inside that, we have scenes folder. I open the scenes folder. Inside that, you see some demo scenes. I open the Hello VR scene. You can see that Hello VR scene is open. Next, what we do, we are going to click on the play button. Once we click on the play button, on PC, if you hold down the Alt and move the mouse, you can look around the scene. If you hold down the Control and move the mouse, you can roll around the Z axis. And if you left click, you can touch an object, guys. So let me go to Unity and click on the play button. In the game view, you can see that if I hold down the Alt key, I can look around the scene, right? I hold down the Alt and move the mouse to look around the scene. Okay, I can look around the scene. Next, if I hold down the Control and move the mouse, we can rotate around Z axis, guys. We can rotate around Z axis. Hold down the Alt and move the mouse to look around the scene. And then, if you move the pointer on an object, if you click, it behaves like a touch. It destroys the object and creates another object somewhere else. Click, right? You can click on the object. It creates another object somewhere else. It destroys the object on which you click and it creates another object somewhere else. So that's what the Hello VR scene is all about, guys. Understanding? Note, GVR editor emulator object has the camera control code. So inside the scene, we have GVR editor emulator instance and it has camera controls. Alt plus mouse move, change the yaw or pitch. Control move mouse, change the role. So this is one of the most important instance that you need inside your scene. And also we need another instance, that is GVR event system. It handles all events triggered. GVR editor emulator and GVR event system you must add in every Unity scene so that it is supported for VR, guys. Here we have GVR event system. If you see, we have the player here. Inside that we have the main camera, and to the main camera there is a GVR reticle pointer is added. So this GVR reticle pointer is the pointer that you see inside your game scene, guys. So that's all about introduction to Google VR for Unity package. I hope you guys have clearly understood what is Google VR for Unity and how do we use Google VR for Unity package. If you want, you can build and weave the VR application inside your mobile or inside your Google Cardboard. For that, first you add the scenes which are going to become the part of VR application to build settings by going to File menu, Build Settings, and click on Add Open Scenes. I go to File menu, say Build Settings, and then I click on Add Open Scenes. So Hello VR scene is going to become the part of your built VR application, guys. I close it. Next, what you can do? Next, go to Edit menu, go to Project Settings, click on Player. You have to set the company name. I'm going to set Chidre's Tech Tutorials. If you are not working for a company, you can type your name itself, guys. And then you give the product name, VR demo project, or anything that you like to. I go to Edit menu, Project Settings, Player. You give the company name. Here I give the company name Chidre's Tech Tutorials, tutorials, and then the product name VR demo project. What do we do next? Next, we are going to set the package name. Package name should be com.company name .product name. For example, Chidre's Tech Tutorials is the company name and the product name is VR demo project. Okay. We go to other settings section and we also set the minimum API level 19 or above, guys. So what I do, I go to other settings section, I open it, and inside that we set the package name com.Chidre's Tech Tutorials .VR demo project, and then we select the minimum API level API level 19 or above, guys. Next, what we do, we are going to edit menu, project settings editor. We set the device to any Android device, guys. What we do, we go to editor option here, and we choose device to any Android device, and then we close it. Next, what we do, we are going to connect our Android device to PC. Okay, we connect the Android device to PC and enable file transfers option. Next, we also enable USB debugging on and developer options on. We on both USB debugging as well as developer options in the settings of your mobile. You can enable them. And then go to file menu, say build and run. You go to file menu and say build and run, guys. Next, it asks for the APK file name. Okay, Android package file name. So I'm going to give here VR demo project. Understanding? So you give the file name and then you click on the save button. Okay. Once you click on the save button, what happens? It creates VR demo project APK file inside your VR demo project folder, as well as it installs the VR demo project inside the connected Android device. Okay, it installs that in the connected Android device and launches it, guys. What you do, you take your mobile and put inside the Google Cardboard, put on your head, and you can look around, as well as if you tilt your head, it rotates around the Z-axis, and you can point on an object. If there is a button on your Google Cardboard, if you touch it, it behaves like a touch event. It destroys the object and generates the object somewhere else. So that's what happens. That's how you actually build and weave your VR application, guys. That's it, guys, for this video tutorial. I suggest you people to try whatever I explained in this video tutorial by yourself. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss more about virtual reality. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.